Hello, today is July 7th, 2021, and it's time for some new stock picks. The theme for this month is going to be similar to the last few months, pretty much the whole year actually, 2021. Possibility of inflation, overweight cyclical companies that can benefit from inflation, and perhaps switch to Canadian stocks for overweighting rather than US, as the US market is fully valued and the Canadian market is a little cheaper. So odds are that the Canadian market will do better, so Canadian picks have a higher chance of doing better. First stock pick for this month, and hopefully for the next 3 months, 6 months, year and beyond. An energy company, Peyto Exploration, symbol PEY on the TSX. Haven't invested personally in the oil and gas sector in Alberta for at least 15 years now, for a variety of reasons. But for people that are comfortable with the energy sector and Alberta in particular, this may not be a bad time to invest, as the sector is hated, the valuations are reasonable. The stocks are still down, a lot of them from 5 years ago by a fair bit, even though they had a phenomenal return over the last 12 months or so. But there's lots more to go. The valuations are still good, quite good at times. So Peyto number one. Number two, CIBC, a Canadian bank. Most of the Canadian banks are good to buy right now, even though they've had a good year again, 2021 year to date, and for the last 12 months as well. The environment for banking has improved tremendously after the fiasco of last year, but the banks took loan loss provisions which are not materializing now due to the stimulus from the government, fiscal and monetary and so on. So their prospects are good and the valuations are still pretty good, so they make good shorter term and longer term investments as well. Canadian Bank is one of them. CIBC rather is one of them. Third one is a more or less tech stock, a Canadian tech stock, Information Services Corp, symbol ISV on the TSX. This one is a little bit more fully valued than the other two stocks. But the business is doing extremely well. They're in the register and information management services for public data and records, including land titles and things like that. They have been growing very nicely over the last 5 years, and they're very profitable, good profit margins. Valuation is a little full at the moment, but with companies that do well, it's hard to find them at a discount. So we're prepared to pay fair value for a good company. It is a smaller company, only about 530 million Canadian market cap, but it's got good prospects to continue to grow. So that will be third stock pick. So if you have any questions about these prospective investments, see if they fit in your already well-diversified portfolio, please give us a call. Bye.